In 2025, money moves faster than ever, and those who adapt, win. Forget outdated advice and slow growth strategies. Today we're diving into the smartest, fastest, and most future-proof ways to invest your money this year. Strategies that can turn small amounts into long-term wealth while keeping you ahead of the curve. Welcome back to Money Strategies with Prince. Before we start, hit that subscribe button so you never miss our deep dives into money-making, investing, and financial freedom strategies. Number 1. AI-powered stock picking. Gone are the days of manually scanning stock charts for hours. In 2025, AI has changed the game. Tools like FinChat, Trade Ideas, and Magnify AI now analyze market data in seconds, identifying patterns, predicting price movements, and even suggesting buy-sell timings. The advantage? AI doesn't sleep, doesn't panic, and processes thousands of data points humans simply can't. If you're investing in individual stocks, combining your own research with AI recommendations could dramatically increase your accuracy and reduce risk. Pro tip: always backtest AI signals with historical data before committing real money. AI is powerful, but only in skilled hands. Number 2. Fractional real estate investing. Owning prime real estate no longer requires millions in the bank. Platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, and Arrived Homes now let you invest in fractions of income-generating properties for as little as $100. Imagine owning a share of a luxury apartment in New York or a resort property in Bali and earning monthly rental income from it. In 2025, this strategy is booming because it allows you to diversify into real estate without dealing with mortgages, property management headaches, or huge capital requirements. It's passive, scalable, and recession-resistant if you pick the right properties in growing markets. Number 3. Green energy ventures. The global push for clean energy is no longer just a movement, it's a trillion-dollar industry. Governments are funding projects, and consumers are demanding eco-friendly solutions. Investors in 2025 are pouring money into solar energy startups, EV charging networks, battery tech companies, and sustainable agriculture. Stocks like Tesla may feel saturated, but smaller, lesser-known players in renewable tech are where massive growth potential lies. This isn't just about profits, it's about aligning your portfolio with industries that will still be growing 20 years from now. Number 4. Digital product businesses. Digital products are the holy grail of online income: zero manufacturing costs, instant delivery, and global reach. In 2025, AI has made creating ebooks, online courses, design templates, and SaaS tools easier than ever. Once created, these products can sell 24/7 with minimal updates. For example, an AI-generated finance guide or a custom productivity app can be marketed worldwide without worrying about shipping or inventory. The key? Focus on products that solve ongoing problems. These will sell year after year. Number 5. Global e-commerce niches. Online shopping isn't slowing down. It's accelerating in emerging markets. Countries in Southeast Asia, Africa, and Eastern Europe are experiencing rapid e-commerce growth. Investing in e-commerce means either running your own store or investing in growing platforms in these markets. A smart 2025 move is niche domination, picking a very specific product type and owning that category online. Think bamboo sunglasses, eco-friendly pet toys, or AI-powered kitchen gadgets. Lower competition plus growing demand equals higher profit margins. Number 6. Tokenized assets and Web3 investing. While crypto hype comes and goes, tokenization, the process of turning real-world assets into digital tokens, is quietly becoming the future of ownership. In 2025, you can buy tokens that represent fractions of fine art, music royalties, rare collectibles, or even real estate. This allows average investors to access asset classes that were once reserved for the ultra-wealthy. Example: instead of buying a $1 million painting, you could own 0.1% of it and still profit when it's sold. The key to success? Look for projects with real-world value, not just hype. Number 7. Dividend growth stocks. In a volatile world, dividend-paying stocks remain one of the most reliable wealth-building strategies. The idea is simple. Buy stocks from companies that not only pay dividends, but increase them every year. In 2025, dividend aristocrats like Johnson & Johnson or Procter & Gamble remain strong, but newer companies in tech and renewable energy are joining the dividend game. Reinvesting your dividends compounds your returns, meaning your portfolio grows, even if the stock price stays flat. Number 8. AI-enhanced side hustles. Side hustles aren't new, but in 2025, AI has made them far more efficient. You can now run YouTube channels, blogs, design businesses, and social media agencies almost entirely with AI assistance. For example, AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Synthesia can help you create content, design ads, or even run customer service without hiring a team. If you treat a side hustle like a business and reinvest profits, it can grow into a significant income stream, one you can later sell or automate completely. Number 9. The subscription economy. People love convenience, and they're willing to pay monthly for it. Whether it's software, fitness programs, meal kits, or niche communities, subscription-based models create predictable, recurring revenue. In 2025, smart investors are either creating their own subscription services or investing in companies that thrive on this model. Why? Because customers who subscribe tend to stick around, giving you stable income even in slower months. Number 10. Private equity crowdfunding. In the past, investing in startups was only for millionaires. Now platforms like Seed Invest and Republic let anyone invest in early-stage companies. With just $100, you can own equity in a business that could be the next big thing. The risk is higher, but so is the reward. A small stake in a future unicorn could multiply your investment many times over. Tip: spread your investments across multiple startups to balance your risk. Final advice for 2025 investors. The biggest mistake investors make is chasing trends without a plan. In 2025, the winners will be those who diversify across both digital and physical assets. Use AI and data to make informed decisions. Invest in industries with long-term growth potential. Keep a portion of their portfolio in low-risk, steady-return assets. It's not about betting big on one thing. It's about building a resilient portfolio that grows in any market condition. So, those are the 10 smartest ways to invest your money in 2025. Which one do you think has the most potential? AI-powered stocks, real estate, or digital products? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's discuss. Don't forget to subscribe for more money-making strategies every week.